The Maps app is integrated with macOS, so in several other apps, you will be able to use data and information from the Maps app or open Maps directly from another app. Let's start with a spotlight search. Enter the search term hardware store, and we get a few results here that display a Maps icon. Click the button with the car for directions, which will open up in Maps. We can also enter a full address here in Spotlight, and it will turn up, just like searching from within the Maps app. Again, just click for directions. macOS also has a feature called Data Detectors that is built into many apps. Here in Mail, I have a message that contains an address. Hover over the address and it's highlighted. Click this down arrow and a panel with a mini-map is displayed. From here, we can open Maps to view this location, get directions from our current location, or we could add this address to a contact. This will work the exact same way in other apps like Messages, Notes, and more. Now let's move to Safari. I have DuckDuckGo set as the default search engine. If you have Google or another option as the default here, this won't work quite the same. If we search for a hardware store near me, we get a Maps result. Click Expand Map, and an Apple Maps webpage opens with information about the locations and an interactive map. We can even change the map view here. Select one of the locations on the map, and we have a Directions button in the sidebar, which will display potential routes here without leaving Safari. Click Navigate in Apple Maps to jump into the Maps app. Maps is also integrated with the Contacts app. When viewing a contact's entry that has an address associated with it, we can simply single-click on their address in Contacts to display that address in Maps. We can also create a new contact directly from the Maps app. I'll enter an address and then click the More button from the info panel. Then Create New Contact. That adds the address into the contact card, and we can then add a name and any other information we have for the contact. Click the check mark, and Victor and his address are now saved in the Contacts app. There are a wide variety of ways that we can use the Maps app and its data in conjunction with many other Mac apps.